Hi, in this video, you will learn to fix YouTube not working issues by simply updating the app on your Android device in a few minutes. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the update process doesn't get interrupted. Once the Play Store opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type YouTube. From the search results, select the official YouTube app. On the app page, check if there is an update button available. If you see it, that means your app is not the latest version. Simply tap the update button and wait while your phone downloads and installs the newest version of YouTube. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Try not to close the app or switch off your internet during the update. Once everything is finished, you will see the option change to Open. Now tap Open and launch YouTube again. In most cases, the app will start working smoothly, videos will load better, and any previous glitches or crashes will be fixed automatically. Now your YouTube app is fully updated and running smoothly again. Stay tuned for more easy tech fixes and simple mobile tips in upcoming videos.